This is not financial advice, not legal advice, for entertainment, educational purposes only. Anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. Listen, these bad actors who are naked shorting AMC, naked shorting GME, naked shorting a whole lot of other stocks in the stock market are severely over leveraged. And the ones who are lending them the money for these high risk, dangerous plays are JP Morgan Chase, Wells Fargo, Bank of America. They have $2,432,000,000,000 in loans for these high, in my opinion, high risk plays. And a lot of times these derivatives are not supported by any real collateral. They are naked. So what do you think is going to happen when the market crashes and these guys have to find $2,432,000,000,000 in cash to pay back these institutions? I don't believe the money's going to be there. I don't believe the money's going to be there. I believe there's going to be a big, big problem in the United States banking system. And I don't care what kind of data they released us. They are going to be in trouble. I don't see this ending well. And this is just my opinion. I see a catastrophe a lot worse than 2008 on the horizon. And you know why? Because the SEC refused to do their job. Had the SEC been reining in the bad actors 10, 20 years ago, it wouldn't have got to this point where there's $2,432,000,000,000 in loans that are not secured by anything. Okay? A majority of this money is not secured by anything. It's all one big Ponzi scheme, and it's going to crash. And I'm not telling you to buy, hold, or sell any stock. I'm just telling you I don't see how this is sustainable, in my opinion. And here's the thing. You think the banks don't know that these people are in trouble? The banks know. The SEC knows. The DOJ knows. The FBI knows. And that's why they keep allowing them to rob retail investors, pension funds, and institutions that follow the rules, because they want to keep the scheme going. They trying to keep it afloat until they figure a way out. And I'm not sure that they can. I'm not sure that they can figure their way out of this fiasco. I believe, and this is just my opinion, is that the government is artificially propping up the market so it doesn't crash before November 5th. But after November 5th, I think all bets are off. I believe we might see some real adjustments after the election happens. Could I be incorrect? Of course I could be incorrect, because I don't see behind the scenes. I mean, I'm in court fighting to get blue sheets. I'm in court fighting to get blue sheets in trading history. So obviously, I don't have access to the data that they have access to. But I'm going to tell you something. There is no way this ends well. I see Archegos and Credit Suisse happening in 2025. Okay? That is what I see on the horizon, because the SEC, the DOJ, and the FBI refuse to do their job and enforce the rules of the market. And that's why these too big to fail banks are on the hook for $2,432,000,000,000 to these bad actors who are naked shorting stocks and doing credit swaps and all kind of shenanigans in the United States stock market. Anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Do you think that $2,432,000,000,000 is a lot of money at risk for these too big to fail banks. Anyway, have a great day. God bless, and I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.